Hey, Sorors Hey. Can you believe it? We got the Delta box in July. Well, if you want to hear what I got to say about the July Delta box, stay tuned and I'll see you in a minute, Sorors. Ooh, and I'm out.
Check it out.
Hey, Sorors Hey. Welcome back to my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. This is my review for the July Delta box that we actually got in the month of July. Kudos to you, dear Delta, but dear Delta box, what is you doing? What's going on with the warehouse? Some people got the actual box. Some people got they stuff wrapped up in some white plastic with an itty bitty tiny card. I don't know what's going on in y'all warehouse, but y'all need to get that whole situation under control. All right, Sorors, if you don't know who I am, my name is Joy. I am not a Delta Box ambassador. No ma'am. Because I got to tell them the truth about the box. That's why I'm here. That's why y'all come and watch these videos. Because I'm going to give y'all a real, honest, truthful opinion about the Delta box. I'm not going to sit here and be like, yes, it's beautiful, yay. No. I'm going to give you an honest, real, raw, uncut opinion about the Delta box. Now, all y'all Neos, I know y'all just excited to get the box. Y'all just excited to be a Delta right now. So anything with Delta on it, y'all want it. And I understand that. I mean, I understand. But, don't get yourself all in a tizzy over my review or anybody else's review and what we say about the box. We know you happy just to get the box. But again, the box don't be boxing all the time. So just, make your own conclusions, decisions about the box. But again, if you don't like this video, you can just click off. Okay. All right, let's get into the box, y'all. For all the new people, this is your return card. If the items in your box are too big, too small, too little, too long, too short, something is missing, something is damaged, you fill this out, repack everything up, send it back, you will get a refund or a store credit. This month's theme is PEP in your step. Now y'all, I'm glad I got a regular size card, because on Facebook, y'all look what some of the Sorors got. Now, what is that? Come on, dear Delta. What is you doing? This the Adam Ant version of the box? I mean, come on. Do better, dear Delta. Y'all, who doing quality control at the warehouse? Obviously, somebody is not. Because these people over here printing out miniature editions of the content card. That's not acceptable, Delta. That's not acceptable. All right, what's in the box? A ribbed quarter zip active set and a headband. Now, there's been a lot of discourse on people's opinions of this outfit. Some people said it looked like Adam Ant. Some Sorors said it looked like the Flash. But the one that took me out, Scuba Steve. I was not ready for Scuba Steve. Now, to me, it looked like the Benihana chef, and a lot of other Sorors said that too. That looked like the Benihana chef outfit. I mean, now I don't mind the athletic gear, but I don't like the material. I'm a Fabletics type girl. I like that type of material. Y'all was trying to do the Fabletic type style, but the material is all wrong. To me, this material look like Long John, Soror. I'm just gonna say it. It looked like Long Johns to me, but let's just get into it. Okay, here's the headband. Let me turn it the right side up. Here's the headband. It has the crest in black. Sorors are sick of red and black. Red and white. Delta red and white. Crimson and cream. Black is the anchor. Here the headband. This is what it looked like in the back. Here's my photo with it on. Some people like the headband, some people don't like the headband. It's either way with me. I just... Now when I have some braids in my hair, I think it'll come in real handy. But right now, not so much. Alright, Sorors, let's get into this top. Okay, this is the shirt. The crest, once again, in black. Now, I don't like this stitching on here. It just, I don't like the stitching. I don't like the rib material. I don't like this cut. It looked like the Benny Hunter chef. To me, it just looks manly. Like, y'all gave the K's a nice athletic outfit. It was pink and green, and it had white in it. It had green, and it had a little pink piping on there, and it had their crest. Why all our stuff just... Why couldn't our stuff be crimson and cream and... This what we get. And these pants look like Long Johns to me, y'all. I'm sorry. Again, I don't like the stitching. It has a zipper in the back. Now, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, what is the purpose of the zipper in the back? Because a lot of people was asking this on Facebook. I can say it over here. They don't be tripping over here. But on Facebook, a lot of people was asking, why is the zipper in the waistband in the back? And some Sorors explain, that's put, for us that go jogging, we can put our keys in there, your ID, stuff like that, whatever. I was like, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, but these are the pants. I don't like the ribbed. I just don't like this material. Like I said, I'm a Fabletics type girl, so I like my leggings to fit like Fabletics or that kind of material. I mean, it look all right. Here's my photo in the outfit. It's okay. I'll probably wear this for a couple of red shoe challenges when we're doing something like that. I just don't like the outfit. I don't like the cut of the shirt. Again, our stuff is just... It's either going to be red with black stripes, black, trim accent, or black with red. Y'all could do red and white. You just got to find the right texture of material. Again, who is sitting in these meetings deciding what's going to go in the box, what kind of material we going to use to make it, and who going to put it together? Because the people in China is messing up. Now, a lot of Sorors, some people said that their stuff was too little, and some people said it was too big. Now all the Sorors got to go swapping on Facebook. And they shouldn't have to be doing that. Everybody know the Chinese cuts run extra small. Okay? So Sorors, I'm sorry. Some of y'all might gonna have to swap up and some of them gonna have to swap down. I don't know. I don't know what else to say, y'all. I'm quite sure this gonna send somebody into a tizzy. But again, how else are they gonna know how we feel about this here box if somebody don't tell them? I'm saying everything that y'all want to say anyway. All right, Sorors. Enough about the box. My name is Joy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with other Sorors. I do have other content on my channel. I have health-related content. I am a breast cancer survivor. 6 months now. Yay! Praise the Lord. I also have inspiring and uplifting content. I am a licensed evangelist. I do take my calling into ministry seriously. So if you need a word of encouragement during the day, check out any of my shorts for Thankful Thursdays and Motivational Mondays. Also check out my playlist called Joyful Jubilations. God comes first in everything I do. That's all I'm going to say about that. But again, if you're a makeup and beauty enthusiast, then check out my glam bag reviews from Ipsy, my BoxyCharm reviews, and my other makeup foundation reviews and things of that nature. So again, I have a wide variety of content. I know a lot of people say, oh, you should stick to one niche. No. I have a wide variety of content, you guys, and I try to review products and give you an honest opinion, whether I'm getting paid to do it or not. I'm going to give you my raw, honest, and truthful opinion. So with that being said, I am so excited to announce that I am a member of the Amazon Influencer Program. And so I do have a storefront on Amazon. So if you click the Linktree link that is in the description of this video, you can go there. You'll see my Amazon storefront. And support your girl. Get a product out my storefront. I do earn commission on those. And again, everything that is on my Amazon storefront, I have reviewed, and I'm giving you an honest opinion on it. My holiday season recommendations are coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. Also, if you follow me on TikTok, my TikTok name, I'm going to put it right there, Blam. And it's also in the description of this video and in the thumbnail. But if you follow me on TikTok, I am a TikTok shop affiliate. So again, if you see me reviewing products and you like it, click that little shopping cart and help your girl out. Earn a commission. But again, Sorors, I hope you have enjoyed this review of the July Delta box. I hope things get better. And that's all I'm going to say about that. Until next time, Sorors, again, like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you next month for our August box. Until then, Sorors, and I'm out.